Hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter, week 31. Today is Saturday. Well, actually that's a lie. It's Wednesday. It was Saturday, but yesterday, Tuesday, I was busy editing videos, and in my excitement to get something out to you, I accidentally deleted half of the footage from Saturday. I have still got some of Saturday's classes and I'm going to start sharing them with you now, but my introduction to you and my welcome to BTHQ Banter for Saturday morning is somewhere up there in the ether. So let's see where I can kick you off on Saturday with BTHQ Banter. Here goes. Sad times. I've just sat down to edit and realised that actually it's all gone. It's all gone. Everything has gone. So all of the finished socks and everything else that happened earlier on the week, gone. I've deleted it off the memory card in a fit of frustration this morning, and so yes, you're just going to get today. BTHQ Banter is just going to be Wednesday. I'm so sorry everybody, but do you know what, it's week 32 and I've managed 32 weeks without deleting a load of footage. I don't think that's bad. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. Today is actually Wednesday. We've got a really exciting day today. Myself and Elspeth are going to attempt to sew necessary clutch wallets. However, I've just got in, I was late, Elspeth was already in, Jackie was already in, she's coming to make a dress, and it seems that it's one of those days that's going to conspire against us. We've got bias binding stitched wrong sides to right sides. We've got a blurry camera. Wake up. We've got a memory card that doesn't want to format. We've got sewing on a sewing machine without a bobbin, and I've only been in the door 5 minutes. So let's hope that today is the day.
We need a cup of tea.
Yes, let's put the kettle on. So we have a new member of the team. Say hello to Robyn. Say hello to everyone, Robyn.
Hello.
Robyn is doing a task that I have never done. She's sorting out our ribbon box, which is just... Did you say that you quite enjoyed it?
Yeah, it's quite satisfying, rolling it all up.
Rolling them all up, sorting them all out. But check out what she's done to the big cupboard of doom. Ooh, she has Marie Kondoed the fabric. Oh, I wonder how long it's going to stay like this. It's amazing. So we're actually now, the challenge is to get through some of these. They're not scraps, but they're not half meters either. They're not even fat quarters. They're just odd sizes. And then we've started to make a tidy up here. All of these big boxes have all been labelled. I've been fairly organised. They're all labelled up with what's in them, but I've started to just throw things in the cupboard. So she's having a good sort out of the boxes. Elspeth's busy pressing. You look grumpy. She would be,
but she's not sure she's pressing the right.
That's right.
Good.
Yeah, we are nearly finished our pocket pieces for our necessary clutch. We're about to have lunch.
I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below.
We have, thank you Sean. We've got pocket pieces, and we've got card slots, and we've got wrist straps, and we've got D-ring anchors, and now it's lunchtime. We've got tan lock holes, and it's straight, and so is Elspeth's. Yay! Happy tan locks. We've finished our NCWs. I am so chuffed with these.
Excuse me.
Oh, she's putting all her money in. Look at this. Okay, so I have one boo-boo in that I cut my flap upside down, but that's the inside, and you know what? It doesn't matter. I haven't got any more of this fabric, so it's tough. But look at that. I am so happy with it. I don't know why I haven't made more of these. I really don't. They're not hard. I'm going to be making lots more, and I'm going to put on a 3-week course for anyone who wants to come and make one with me here at the studio. But obviously you can still come and do one with Sian, because she is the expert if you wish to. What have you done?
My house key!
Oh, that's handy.
My house key even has a space to not get lost.
Is there a particular reason why you're squeaking, Elspeth?
I'm chuffed! I'm a chuffed girl. well.
And poor Robyn's going home because she's tired. We've worked you to the ground,
She's
haven't
wondering
we?
what she's let herself
But
in for here.
what I will say is that what she's also done today is emptied out my scrap basket. Look, you can see the floor. You can see the floor. So we're all done. Another day over at BTHQ and another week for BTHQ Banter also over with. Day off tomorrow. We're back on Friday and Saturday, and we've also got a few classes next week too. Obviously things are a bit different at the moment. It's the school summer holidays, so that does mean that we are doing a few less classes, or that I will have my kids in with me, so you will get to see them doing bits and bobs too. Tomorrow is an exciting day because Maddie's getting married. And myself and Elspeth are off to the wedding, and we're being joined in the evening by quite a few of the BTHQ regulars. So I will take the camera with me, and I will include a little bit of it into next week's BTHQ Banter for you to enjoy. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this week's, albeit fairly short video, and we'll see you all again same time next week. Bye. Oh, I meant to say, if you want to sew your own NCW along with us and you're not here in the studio, then we're having a necessary clutch wallet sew along at the moment in our free Facebook group. So come and join in, and everyone can help each other out so we can all make NCWs together. Link for that down in the comments. Really am saying bye now.